This is a Pontiac GTO, the 6-litre one, 400 brake horsepower. It's what the Americans would think of as a sports car. It's about muscle rather than agility, as we would have in Europe. This will do 0 to 60 in, under 4.5 seconds. And we could go and make an American road movie in it, but instead, we're going to use it to chase an aeroplane.
It's a weird-looking thing, but then it is the world's highest flying aeroplane. It should be here any second now.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Talking down to 10 feet. There's 10, 8, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4. Such a left rudder, that's still 4. There's 3 tails and 2 there too. Just a little bit more left rudder. 1.5.
This is a U-2 spy plane. It's the peak of 1950s aviation, from the dawn of the space age. And the car chase isn't a TV stunt. The plane's so difficult to land, the pilot needs a second pair of eyes in the car below.
So that's an aeroplane with a wingspan of almost 100 feet landing on essentially bicycle wheels.
This aeroplane's stomping ground is at an altitude that, back in the 50s, would have been considered the edge of space.
At 46, I am too old, too unfit, and frankly too long-haired ever to know what it would mean to be an astronaut. But this is a place where they can take me to a sort of first base of spaceflight, the nearest a normal mortal like me could come to knowing what it's like to be an astronaut.
The Air Force have offered to take me up 70,000 feet above the Earth, where I'll be able to look up into the blackness of space. Up there, any failure of the aircraft's pressurization system will require more than a plastic oxygen mask and a rubber band.
Copy 3022, pigeon 93, taxiing to runway 33 via Delta. Pigeon 93, recorders on, ground crew clear. There's 2. Oh, there 2. 2, 1, engines, hold on. You ready to go? I'm ready to go. Whoa! 500 feet takeoff roll. Way up, we're off. That's marvelous. Back up. You got low, I never got me. Exit 226, NorCal approach, try to maintain 4,000 check. And 2,500. Into the weather. Whoa! Stand by 1 there. That's quite a climb. No kidding. That is incredible. 93, contact approach, 353.7. We've just passed the altitude of Everest, so already if I was outside I'd be feeling pretty squiffy. There's the altimeter, there's the view. America 179, contact open to we're just approaching the start of what was space in the old days. That's correct, here it comes. Feet, there it is. If this were 1955, we'd be considered spacemen.
Because at that height, the atmosphere would kill you as certainly as space would. You'd just boil, you'd be dead in seconds.
Just below us, you see on the left side below. See that airliner below us?
Yes, there it is. I think I've got it, just briefly on the camera. Fantastic. So that is now almost as far below us as it normally would be above us if we were standing on the ground. I knew this would happen. I need to scratch my face.
Just think about other stuff and it goes away.
1,000 feet's just gone past it. We're now at an altitude where things like tears and salivas and other body fluids would boil pretty much instantly if you stepped outside. I can already see why people go into space and then spend all their time blabbering on about how wonderful Earth is, because it just looks fabulous from up here.
I think I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch.
You having lunch?
Yes, sir.
I might join you. What flavor are you having?
I have clam chowder at the moment.
I'm having peaches.
Oh yeah, good choice.
Here we go then for space peaches. Oh, it's nice. It's like baby food. Salt the peaches I've just noticed of you. I'm liking that very much indeed. It's gorgeous. God, I've just noticed how dark the sky is. God, I hadn't looked up.
It's quite dark, isn't it?
That's incredible. There it is, at 70,000 feet. It's interesting to think that at this altitude, 95% of the Earth's atmosphere by mass is below us. That's a skin on the top. It's a mist, nothing more than that. It's madness. Is there anybody else up here? Presumably not. So I think it's fair to say the only people higher than us at the moment are the people in the International Space Station.
That's correct.
I think that means Major Cabegas and student spaceman May are the second highest people in the world. Yes! Oh man, I've got that curvature of the horizon thing. Look at that. That's perfect.
Yeah.
That just looks fantastic. Oh, it's lovely. Do you get bored of looking at that? Surely not.
Oh, I never do.
Oh, it's terrific. Now let's see if it works. Oh, yes! Gosh, made me feel slightly emotional.
Feel free.
Man in heaven. The sky looks just breathtaking. If indeed that is the sky, most of the sky is below us. I think that might be a view of eternity.
Technically speaking, you are correct.
Sorry, do tell me if I'm rabbiting on too much, but I've never done this before. This is a fantastic privilege being able to see this. I'm slightly lost for words. It's just staggering.
I think the term you're looking for is gobsmacked, aren't you?
Well, can I just say thank you for bringing me up here, Major?
Oh, you're absolutely welcome.
It's absolutely just almost impossible to articulate what it feels like. That is the real shape of the good Earth. It's rather humbling.
Flaps, lights, stall strips, speed brakes. Line up with the center line. We're decelerating down to 76 knots.